Today, recently about potential energy of a single charge in an external field. The external field E and the corresponding external potential V may vary from point to point. By definition, by definition, V at a point P is the work done in bringing a unit positive charge from infinity to the point P. We continue to take the potential at infinity to be zero. Thus, work done in bringing a charge Q from infinity to the point P in the external field is QV. This work is stored in the form of potential energy of Q if the point P has position vector R relative to some origin. We can write potential energy of Q at R in an external field around QV, where V is the external potential at the point R. Thus, if an electron with charge Q बराबर E बराबर 1.610 per minus 19 coulomb is isolated by a potential difference of del V बराबर 1 volt, it would gain energy of Q del V बराबर 1.610 per 19 joule. This unit of energy is defined as 1 electron volt or 1 electron volt. It means 1 electron volt बराबर 1.610 per 19 joule. The units based on electron volt are most commonly used in atomic, nuclear and particle physics. 1 kilo electron volt बराबर 10 to the power Q electron or 1.610 per minus 16 joule. Thus, 1 kilo electron volt 10 power Q electron volt बराबर 1.610 minus 16 joule. 1 mega electron volt बराबर 10 power 6 electron volt बराबर 1.610 minus 13 joule. 1 giga electron volt बराबर 10 power 9 electron volt बराबर 1.610 minus 10 joule. 1 tera electron volt बराबर 10 power 12 electron volt बराबर 1.610 minus 7 joule. Point potential energy of a system of two charges in an external field. We find the potential energy of a system of two charges Q1 and Q2 located at R1 and R2 in an external field. Work done on Q2 against the external field barabar Q2V at distance R2. Work done on Q2 against the field due to Q2 barabar Q1 Q2 bata 4 pi epsilon of R12, where R12 is the distance between Q1 and Q2. By superposition principle for fields, we add up the work done on Q2 against the two fields E and that due to Q1. Thus, we have work done in bringing Q2 to R2 barabar Q2V plus Q1 Q2 bata 4 pi epsilon of R12. Therefore, the total potential energy of the system barabar the total work done in assembling the configuration Q1 V1 plus Q2 plus Q2 V1 V1 plus Q2 V Q1 V1 Q1 Q1 V R1 plus Q2 V at R2 plus Q1 Q2 but a 4 pi epsilon naught R1 2. This is the total work done by and due to two charges in any external field. Now potential energy of